What's up YouTube? This is TF Bricks coming at you with video number 3 of our how to install Reprolabels on your generation's Metroplex. Previous 2 episodes we've shown you bot mode and battle mode. Well, now it's city mode. So we're going to go ahead and start with his legs, which it's very hard to highlight his legs, the stickers in it. So hopefully you'll be able to see the stickers that go inside there. I've got a light, but hopefully I'll be able to show you where they go. Alright, so beginning with his right leg, notice we have a sticker right underneath his kneecap of a globe. Then as we rotate, you'll see we got 2 stickers right there. I'd point them out to you, but both my hands are taken up right now. It's pretty much as you go to, as you're looking at the right of his kneecap, you have 2 stickers right there. And then let's go to the other side. You got the 2 Hasbro stickers right there. And then right there underneath his gray pivot joint, we have a nice long sticker there. And then going to the inside that opens up, you've got the Hasbro sticker all the way to the end there, the red sticker you see. And then right next to that, just past the pillar, is a sticker with a schematic on there. And then further down you have a sticker right where it clips of a schematic of Scamper. And then go ahead and rotate the figure. We've got a tiny little sticker right next to the pillar where the 2 lines come down. You'll see a little square. That's where that sticker goes. And then to the right of it, we've got a sticker. And that's it for that side. And then go to the front of his inside leg, and you'll see we got 3 circles of the shiny pink and blue. That's where those stickers go. And then underneath the middle circle down at the bottom, that's a Hasbro sticker right there. That's where that one goes. Now we'll head over to the other leg. And I don't need the shop light for this one. You can see right there we got a nice little sticker. We got the earth right there, a little turn dial right there, and of course you got the 2 Hasbro stickers right next to it. Now I'll need my shop light. Right there underneath the gray pivot joint is a nice long sticker. And we'll go ahead and go to his inside of his leg. Sorry for the shakiness of this. I had to go to handheld for this video. Couldn't have it stationary because I gotta move stuff around. But basically, when you go to the left of the kneecap, right there is a sticker with, it looks like, some graphs on it. And then further down, you've got a sticker right there with Optimus Prime on it. Looks like a communications sticker. And then of course you got the Hasbro sticker right there. and then go to the inside of his leg that opens up. Got a nice big sticker right there of a schematic of Scamper. That's just a nice giant sticker. It just looks phenomenal. Much better than the Hasbro sticker they have in there. Then we'll go around. It's the inside of that panel. Just underneath the clip is a sticker. It's got some graphs on it. And then right next to the oval pillar there is another sticker. And then of course you got Hasbro sticker. So that one's got a graph on it also. So now that we're done with the legs, go ahead and show you Metroplex's body. Now this area here, a lot of people are having trouble figuring out where these stickers go. So pretty much underneath his left arm, there's this little black panel. That black panel does unclip, and you drop it down, and I'm not exactly sure what these are, if they're missile pods or what they are. But so you have 6 H chrome stickers that go down here. And above those, we've got these little half circles with a little cutout in it. Those go right above those. Then right above those, took me forever to figure out where these went. You have 6 chrome telephone looking stickers. If you're wondering where those go, they go right above the half circle with a cutout. I mean, they go right up there. So pretty much what you'll need is some sharp object or something thin. I used a utility knife to put the corners in, and then you just smooth over the sticker to get it to stick. But that's where those 6 telephone stickers go. They go right above those semicircle chrome stickers, which, like I said, it took me forever to figure out where those went. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. And then coming up to the helipad, which we got more black, so let me grab my trusty shop light. Right to the left of the helipad is a small sticker that goes inside there. And then as we turn right underneath the helipad, there's a sticker that goes right there. And let me rotate some more. And over here on this panel, you have 3 small circle stickers. And then right next to those, in that little cutout area, is a small sticker. And those 3 small circles look kind of a lot like what was in the leg. That's where those go. Keep rotating. And you can probably see it back there. Got a nice shiny sticker right there. And right here is where those 3 circles go. And then that one cutout goes right there. And then we go follow the helipad. This sticker right here. And then another reason I bought the set is because his guns, which become his towers in city mode, they also get windows. So this is his big red gun. So this is a sticker here. sticker and the sticker right here, which that's just awesome because then that totally completes the look of the tower as an actual tower. I mean, they have grooves that were in there from the mold, but with a sticker there, it actually makes it look like an actual tower now. Then go ahead and rotate, go to the black guns, which those two also have stickers. And see right here, this right here is a sticker. Then we got a thin sticker right here. Those where those go. Yep, there we go. Didn't want to clip in. And then same thing for this one. Sticker right here. So hopefully this video has helped you guys on where to place stickers on your Metroplex if you got them from Reprolabels, because we really don't get a guide from Reprolabels on where to place stickers, so it's kind of looking at pictures, looking at what other people have done, and then this sticker right here, that's from Hasbro. Luckily Hasbro gives you a guide of where those stickers go. But hopefully this video has helped you out, and if you like the video, please leave a like down below and leave comments if anything you need to know where something goes. I'll be glad to help. So I'll see you guys later.